Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda Navigator or by running Jupyter Notebook in a terminal. This opens the browser UI. Once done, click the IPIN file you want and make sure the kernel is active. You'll see a filled circle or kernel name. Run a quick cell to verify execution. This prevents saving transient errors. If autosave is on, changes persist, but you should perform an explicit save before moving files. You now move to File, right arrow Save as in the Notebook menu, and choose a location. In the dialog that appears, navigate to your desktop folder. You may need to open parent directories to find it. Once on desktop, optionally rename the notebook to something descriptive, then click Save. Make sure to use the IPIN extension so Jupyter recognizes it. If the browser blocks downloads, adjust permissions, or use the Jupyter file browser to move the file instead. You finish by verifying the notebook appears on the desktop. Refresh the desktop view if necessary. If the file did not save, use the browser's download or save link on the notebook page to force a local copy, then move it to desktop. Make sure to check file permissions and that Jupyter has write access to the desktop path. If autosave failed, export a copy via File, right arrow Download as IPIN. This is the quickest fix when permission or network issues occur.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.